Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31 in oyster steel, white gold, and diamonds, reference 278384RBR, with a blue floral diamond dial, diamond bezel, and a Jubilee bracelet. I will tell you a little bit about the history of the Datejust, then tell you about where this watch stands in the lineup of other similar Datejusts, then tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with the history. The Datejust came about in its first inception 40 years after the company Rolex was created in 1945, the same year that the Second World War ended. What a nice time to create one of, if not the world's most sought after and desirable watch in the name of Datejust. Now, what makes the Datejust so special? Well, many things. First is the name. It's made by the premier watchmaker, the biggest and the most powerful player in the watch industry, Rolex. Second, it was one of the first waterproof watches. It looks fantastic. It is a sign of prestige and luxury, and the list goes on and on. And basically, it is Rolex's. Without the Datejust, Rolex would not be the company that they are. They make the most number of Datejusts. It has the most number of variations, and it's probably the most recognizable watch that Rolex makes. Okay, so with that said, they've made many variations, thousands of variations, maybe even more, maybe 10,000 variations. I don't know, a lot of variations of them over the years. But this is not a history lesson; it's a review. So that's where it started. It gets its name from having the complication of both the time and the date, 1 through 31, hence the name Datejust. Okay, and that brings us to our next section, which is where does this watch stand in the lineup of other similar Datejusts? Well, the Datejust comes in 3 sizes for women, size 28, 31, and 36 for women, millimeter that is, and for men, 36 and 41, which is medium and large, for female, small, medium, large. And what you're looking at in front of you now is the Datejust 31, which is mid-size. The mid-size is going to fit most women with a wrist size of 5.5 to 6.5. Now in the Datejust 31 section, they have also many variations, from the cheapest, which is just stainless steel only, to steel and gold, steel and yellow gold, steel and white gold, steel and rose gold. And then they also have it in all precious metal, yellow gold, rose gold, white gold, and so on. And then they have many different variations on the bezel, the bracelet, the dial. So as you can imagine, if you count up the number of variations, it's in the hundreds easily. Now what you're looking at here is steel with white gold and diamonds. So it's not the most expensive, but it's about mid-range. It's definitely up there because of the diamonds. So let's talk, that's where it stands in the lineup. So let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. The case is made out of stainless steel. And that part that's a good thing because it makes the watch very durable, reliable, strong, as you can imagine stainless steel is. And now Rolex doesn't just use any stainless steel, they use 904L steel, which is very hard. It is anti-corrosive and it can be polished many times. And it's basically the best steel out there, and that's what they use. Naturally, since Rolex only uses the best parts. Let's move on to the bezel now. The bezel here is there. Now the bezel, you could choose the bezel to be either domed bezel, a fluted bezel, a diamond bezel, and they even have a domed diamond bezel. So they have many different options for the bezel. The bezel that you see here is the most expensive, which is round diamonds. And what is special about it? Well, Rolex only uses, first of all, the best diamonds, and they also set them to perfection, making sure that the orientation, the position, the regularity, the strength, etc., is done to perfection, such that when it is on the watch, it really is a sparkling symphony for the wearer to enjoy. And so there you have it. Now, what part of this is white gold? Well, it's actually just the bezel. The bezel that holds the diamonds are made in white gold. So it's not a lot of the watch, actually. It does have white gold, that is true. Not a lot of it is in white gold, but it is what is holding the bezel. And that makes sense because the diamonds are very expensive. You hold them in a softer material so that you can bend them and move them. So it only makes sense to put the setting in white gold. Okay, now let's move on to the dial. Now the dial here is really special. And I'm not just saying that, it really is special. It's blue, as you see, and it has flowers, as you see. So they call this the floral motif. And Rolex is actually combining 3 different colors of blue. The first is a sunray finish, the same finish that they use on their dials. So it has this gloss, like, I don't know, not gloss look, but this satin finish to it, and it kind of looks a little different in different light. Okay, then it has a matte finish, which just matte, it's just completely no shine to it. And then it has a grained look, kind of like a sandblasted look. And what that does is it gives this dial the appearance of having flowers laid on top of each other in a 3D pattern, when in fact it's completely flat. It's 2D. But the way that they've done it, it's really done to perfection. And then on top of that, they've added, where the seeds are, diamonds. I mean, it could not have been done better, really. So they added these diamonds, and in fact, they so expertly added diamonds even at the hour markers, but they integrate it into the flowers so that you can't really tell. So I want to say this is probably my favorite dial for the Datejust because of the depth, the beauty, the innovation. They just really knocked it out of the park. And blue on here really looks fantastic. It really makes the watch pop. I don't really like it that much when it's on the silver, or, you know, it just looks much better on this blue. Okay, so the dial is really, as I just said, very, very special. It has 24 diamonds, and the diamonds aren't really in your face. It's just a very beautiful dial. It's actually what makes the watch, if you ask me. Okay, now moving on to the bracelet. The bracelet is a Jubilee bracelet. It's a Rolex also makes it in Oyster, but this one happens to be Jubilee. The good thing about the Jubilee is it fits your hand better, has 5-piece links across, polished down the center, and satin finish down the sides. But there is no comfort extension. But I don't think you need that, considering that the bracelet is so small to begin with, and it has a very nice hidden clasp. All right, now let's move on to movement. Movement is a 2236 movement. Has a power reserve of 55 hours. That means you can put it down for 55 hours and not have to rewind it. So not much else to say about it. Now look, let's try this watch on my wrist. Now I'm a man. This should be for a woman, and it will probably look much better on a woman, but at least you get an idea what it looks like. Now, what are my thoughts? I think it's a fantastic watch. It really is beautiful. As I said at the beginning, or in the middle of this, the dial is really what makes this watch for me. I mean, I really love it. The dial, the way it sparkles, the way that they did this 3D dial, the flowers, the color, the contrast, everything about it looks great. And the Datejust itself is an iconic watch. So it really is fantastic. And if you'd like to buy this at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.